Welcome to Honey's Kitchen. Hope you all are doing well. Today's recipe, tomato egg curry. Items required for this recipe: 4 boiled eggs, tomato, onion, green chilli, chilli powder, turmeric powder, ginger garlic paste, coriander powder, garam masala and salt. Keep the pan on the stove and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add half tablespoon of cumin and mustard seeds. Add 2 green chillies. Add small cup of finely chopped onions and fry until golden brown color. Add half tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and saute for 1 minute. Add half tablespoon of turmeric powder. Add 1 cup of finely chopped tomatoes and add 1 tablespoon of salt and saute for 1 minute. Close the lid and cook for 10 minutes on medium flame. Add 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder, half tablespoon of coriander powder, half tablespoon of garam masala and saute for 1 minute. Add 4 boiled eggs into the curry and saute for 1 minute. Close the lid and cook for 5 minutes on low flame. Add some coriander leaves. It's ready to serve delicious egg curry. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to Honey's Kitchen. For more videos, hit the bell icon.